Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, uTebogo Tobejane is continuing to say ukuthi ena uKate Matlala wanted her gone. Yeah, usakhuluma. Ngaleso sikhathi uKate Matlala took his case to High Court ukuthi uyayideserve leyo bail. Hire these expensive lawyers. I was just like, okay, maybe you got the money le enye uyibeke eMauritius ngiyacabanga. The wife has some money, I'm sure, stashed somewhere. Because I also saw her there at that courtroom. I was just like, I was saying, ehamba nosisi abawu-2. But I guess guys, fanele support indoda yakhe. What can she do? Wakana trust le uNkulunkulu indoda. She doesn't really have a choice. So I was still saying ukuthi ke Vusi Matlala's case escalated in his bid for bail at Johannesburg High Court. Because he believes ukuthi Alexander, they were not fair. Alexander Court was unfair to him when they said he is not eligible for bail. His lawyer was arguing that the state's case has no substance, nothing whatsoever. The state says that Usumuzi Matlala made several payments to his co-accused Tiego Mabusela through his daughter. So which means whatever money he was paying the account to your daughter. But they do those things. This is what I'm saying. Vusi Matlala still has money. Besides the one in Mauritius, inkosikazi iphethe imali somewhere. It's in different accounts. It's everywhere, that money that they have been looting and stealing from people. Besides that, last week, there's a story that was going around ukuthi company yake is about to be closed down. I'm still trying to follow that story, actually. VIP Protection Services. Angithi bavala ngalezo zinto kanjalo. It's the same as someone ezobe evula a laundromat kanti ubusy namade RUGS. Ushushumbiswa wona basically lapho. So I was still telling you guys ukuthi ke the one of the accused, angithi lo accused lo uTego, utholakale sengathi he's the one who actually was sort of like an inkabilizer of a hitman that was busy with uTebogo. Yeah, kuthi uyabona phela ngithi those people don't have to do anything, guys. Get Matlala no Katie Molefe. Oh, Katis, they don't do anything, those people. They are clean. They stay in Sandton. Oh, Katis was staying in the 24 million rent house, guys. I'm just like, from a teacher, from Soweto. And then you just decide that one day, I want to be an entrepreneur. Guys, you're not an entrepreneur. You are in Gulugudu of Esqueben. Allegedly. So that money, apparently it was about 100,000 rands that was sent to the daughter. Tiego Mabusela lo okuyena oyi hitman, who's said to be a hitman, right? To bury the mother. And then it turns out the state city, no, that man was actually sent before the mother died. No. So the sister went to High Court today as well to say, no, Kate Matlala sent that man after our mother died. Tiego's sister. So ngathi that was proven actually ukuthi ngempela the statement does say ukuthi the mother mhlambe they brought, I mean, the death certificate. I'm just imagining a court what was going on ukushushumbiswa lezo statement ezikanjalo or affidavits for that matter. And then you know again, out of 5 accounts zakhe, besides the Tobejane story, the money laundering and all of that, bashushumbisana neimali bayibeka bathi we cleaning the money. Hayibo, guys, you can't be serious right now. And then bese kuba yilesi se-ID uyayazi-ke ayisasali bavele bathi no, you are a flight risk body, uzobaleka ugibele i-private jet yakho ngoba apparently he actually does have a private jet. So lento ye-ID it is a problem, eh? That Swatini ID, the one that he was saying to the wife, please send it to me, and then they realize how une-ID when wakadlamini. Guys, Kate Matlala, and he has a lot of things coming out. I'm just like, it's a bit much. So the court again continued to know, actually, you are a flight risk body. We can't help you and you cannot get bail because there are people, actually witnesses basically are living in fear because of you. So if we are Puma, we are Sabis. But Sukatiso is out, guys. Hey, I'm just like, okay. So it's still gonna be next door ka Thabo Bester kanye net Serbian DRUGS. Lord yamkhumbula. Yeah. So usazohlala nje ejele until his fate is decided on. But maybe this coming Friday or Monday, they'll tell us the judgment. It will be heard on Friday, on Monday. Yeah. You know, if he does get bail, this guy, people are gonna go crazy. Ngiyambona kuKatiso. Namanje abantu abakabe right. They like, no, actually he must go back. And Ed Madlanga, he came out saying it today in zakhe futhi around Amanswat. That video is actually on its own. I'm just about to do it. It's crazy things. I'm just like, njani? You know? Yeah, so ngizongime lapho kancane guys. I appreciate your support a lot. Nginthanda over. Thank you.